Alright, just wanted to make a quick little video on what we've been up to. Been kind of working on this back seat, trying to get it put in the car, getting the roll cage fitted in. I got it bent up for the most part. Still got to do the bars that go back into the trunk and stuff, but I got to pull the back window out. Found a little bit of rust back there in the back window channel, but that roll bar is from Rhodes race cars, I think. Either that or it's a competition engineering one. It was pre-bent. They do require a lot of work to make them look good. Got the motor pretty much all set in. Had to go get a ICT billet alternator and power steering pump bracket, because with the factory one, the power steering pulley, it hit the steering box there. So as you can see, we've expertly massaged the header. Still needs a little work, I guess. Not too bad, but the back of the transmission setting up a little bit still. So that's where we're at right now. And I've had people ask about the AR5 and where the shifter lands. This is where the shifter lands, right in that hump, right at the end of the hump. So it is a little far forward. That's why I made that relocated shifter. Hopefully that helps out some. But so we'll get that set in there. I ordered some bucket seat brackets so I can actually put the seats in right this time, instead of just having holes drilled in the floorboard with some washers. And kind of dangerous, kind of real scary that I made a almost 9-second pass like that. So, you know, I like to live dangerously, I suppose. Anyway, that's it for now.